Hey, what's up everybody? It's Enan here from Udroid Mania, and today I've got an unboxing video for you. I just received my S25 Ultra, and it is something that I've been looking forward to for quite a little bit of time now, so I'm glad that it finally arrived and we can check it out together. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box and see what we have here. Let's see. This is fresh from UPS, so I already opened up the actual package it came in, but this is what it looks like. And they usually do a pretty good job of packaging everything, keeping it safe. I did go through the trade-in program, so I'm going to be trading in my S24 Ultra for this phone. I didn't really use it that much. It's still practically brand new, in fact. All right, so I got the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Haven't had any Galaxy Buds since the very first pair that came out. So I'm excited to try these because I usually like Galaxy Buds. And I know from a Samsung perspective, typically there's no issues with pairing and all of that kind of stuff. It's kind of like Apple products where you just open it up and it usually just pairs on first open. So I did get the, like I said, the 512 gigabytes here, and this is the, as you can see, this is the, I don't know if they call it jet black. I'm trying to see the name of the color on here. Let me take a look and see if I can find the actual colorway. Interesting. Yeah, that's interesting. They don't actually say the name on the box, so I think it's called jet black though. I can't remember. I was so excited to order it that I just put the order in and waited for it to come. It is the titanium jet black. It's a Samsung.com exclusive, so I did pre-order the device. I did the trade-in. I got this phone for $300 with the trade-in of my S24 Ultra, so not a bad deal if I do say so myself. So pretty happy about that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me just move some of this stuff out of the way so we can open this up and have a quick look here. So, and as you all know, it's not going to be a whole lot in the box. So before we get to the phone, which is the main attraction, here we have our pamphlets and documentation and all of that kind of stuff. You've got the SIM ejector tool in here as well, or usually it is in here as well. And we have your documentation books, so the QSG and a USB to USB-C power cable. So USB-C to USB-C. So I'll put that off to the side. Let's get to the phone, because that is what you're all here for. Like I said, this phone now, as you can see, this mat here is black. So even though they call it a jet black, it does have like a shimmer. It's more like a dark gray or space gray versus a black. So as you can see here, we got the Samsung branding. We've got the camera housing here. So I'm not going to get into the details and the specs and everything in this video. That's not what this is for. This is meant to be just a quick unboxing. So we'll go ahead and take a quick look at the phone. As you can see here, we've got some microphone ports here. On the left-hand side, we've got the 5G antenna. You can see that there. Antenna band, nothing else on this side. Down along the bottom, we do have the S Pen. We've got a speaker We've got the USB-C port, we've got a microphone, and then we actually have the SIM tray, some antenna bands down here. So again, pretty clean on the bottom. As you all have probably seen by now, the S Pen does not match the phone. It only has the titanium jet black bottom. I guess this is like a beige gray type color here. So I don't know how I feel about that. I think they could have color matched that. And then on the right hand side, you do have the sleep wake button there. So the power button and the volume rocker. And on the back, you've got the camera housing up top. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and power it on. I'll go ahead and start getting, if it has any juice, I'll go ahead and start getting it set up. And it seems like it might be dead. Okay, here we go. Wow, that took a long time to boot up. Probably gonna have to charge it up. So I gotta say, I do like how clean and light. That's the first thing I noticed, is that it feels so light in the hand. I was just at Best Buy checking it out. I had to pick up a case for it, and I'll have some case videos coming for this. So right now I just grabbed a quick Insignia case from Best Buy just so I could throw something on there, but I am gonna end up getting a couple of Samsung cases as well as some other ones just to see. Usually you got a lot of luck when it comes to, or a lot of options, I'll say, not a lot of luck. You got a lot of options when it comes to the mainstream Samsung devices, and they're usually pretty easy in terms of being able to pick up the accessories that you're going to need for it. If you've enjoyed today's video, do leave a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one.